Hello everybody, this is Faith at Homestead. I just wanted to pop on with a quick little video showing you how I organize my veggie seeds. So what this is here is a plastic photo organizer. I've seen these sold at Michael's and Amazon. I can't remember where I got this one. They're inexpensive. I think this was like 20 bucks, maybe less. But I love it because it fits easily in my side-by-side freezer where I store all my seeds in the off-season. And it makes everything very easy to move around. So inside, what I've done here is sorted all of my seeds by type. And these are wine glass markers that I use to write on here, so these will wipe clean if I ever want to change these out. But I've color-coded them by planting dates. So it's kind of out of order on here because I changed my colors halfway through. But I have both when I plant them and when that tends to fall in the year for me. So like 8 to 10 weeks before last frost for my peppers and tomatoes is March-ish. My handwriting is garbage, so apologies for that. But then you can see that this corresponds up here. And these are very easy to pull out a handful when you want to plant something and stick everything back in the freezer in between. So I've been liking this system a lot. I want to get another one of these going for my flower seeds, but I just wanted to share this with folks in case you have a large pile of seeds that are suboptimally organized and stored. I've been really liking this system. It's way less chaotic. It keeps things under control and keeps them at a manageable temperature where I'm hoping to get more longevity out of them. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that's interesting about this. I do have some of them grouped, like there's beans and okra together because I don't have a whole lot of one kind of seed and I was trying to save space. But that's more or less my system here. I have them labeled top and bottom. There's a whole section for cats. You can tell what kind of cat lady I am. So this is out right now because I'm currently replanting my growing dome for fall. I'm way behind on this. They recommend mid-September to do this, and I've just had a busy month. So yeah, that's my system. Hope that's helpful for somebody. Thanks.